In this video, we are looking at this gorgeous family home. It is on the market listed for $1.25 million. This amazing house is located in New South Wales, Australia. From the physical appearance, you can see this house from outside is almost impossible to tell is built out of shipping containers. The house is built using 4 shipping containers stuck together to create a 2-story building and shared horizontally to create a rooftop terrace on the first floor level and a sheltered porch on the ground floor level. This is a view of the living space. You'll appreciate the full height glazing that drenches the indoor space with maximum daylighting. Worth noting is the use of wooden finishes on almost the 3 planes of the house: the floor, the wall, and the ceiling above. This is a big fireplace to keep the house warm during chillier months. The view of the living space next to a single-walled kitchen. The general view of the neighborhood of the house next to the coastline. This is a view of the house showing the use of industrial finishes. We have this corrugated siding under this cantilevered space, and also this exposed chimney to complement the other finishes on the exterior of the house. There's this retractable canvas to shield the rooftop terrace from harsh weather elements. This is a larger view of the living space showing the lounge, the dining, and the single-walled kitchen. A closer view of the single-walled kitchen showing the under-the-counter storage cabinets. There's a big hood and even a nicely tiled kitchen backsplash with a big kitchen window to light up the sink space. A view of the lounge area showing a portion of the kitchen and this big wooden fireplace. We have exposed corrugated container ceiling with portions of plywood finishes. The general view of the living space extended backwards to show the dining, the lounge, the single-walled kitchen on the left, and a single flight staircase connecting to the topmost level of the house. This nice interplay of industrial finishes and wooden materials for the ceiling. This is a view of the fireplace and the wooden staircase connecting to the topmost level of the house. This is a view of the main bathroom, the penny tiles on the floor, and the plywood plus the tiled walling, the glass shower cubicle, and this standalone bathtub. This is the view of the main bedroom. You will appreciate the use of plywood lining on the inside. This is the same on the ceiling and even wooden flooring. The full height glazing drenches this bedroom space with maximum daylighting, and there's this retractable canvas to shield the outdoor terrace space from the elements. This is a view of the reading table next to the glazed opening. There's a private bathroom and also a bookshelf create a cozy reading nook in the master bedroom. A closer view of the fully tiled master bathroom. This is a view of another bedroom in the house with 2 single beds. There's a mix of wooden and white painted walling, a big glass window for maximum daylighting, and a ceiling fan to enhance indoor thermal comfort. This is a view of another bedroom that can also serve as a home office or a children's playroom. This is a view of the exterior of the house, showing a mix of materials. There's this wire mesh to allow for growth of climbers on the exterior, the cedar siding, and also the well-landscaped access to the house. This is a view of the rooftop terrace from the master bedroom, a view of the property from the topmost level of the house. This is an outdoor bathroom to complement the indoor functions of the house. An outdoor bathroom still. The general view of the backyard with the fireplace, barbecue area. This is a view of another bedroom in the house. We have this hideout, a nice loft space, access with ship's ladder. We have also this L-shaped kitchen. This is the main house that we've been looking at, and this is a subsidiary house also on the plot. The floor plans of the house are as shown. We have the main entrance here. We have an open plan living with the dining, kitchen, and lounge areas. We have a laundry room and the main bathroom to the house. There's a single flight staircase that takes you to the topmost level, where we have a master bedroom with its own ensuite and two other bedrooms on the extreme rear of the property. There's also an additional property on site with a garage and workshop plus a studio unit as shown. This amazing property is on sale and is listed for $1.25 million. Would you buy this property for the listing price? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.